Cambodia, a land of ancient temples and vibrant culture, holds a secret deep within its heart. This secret is a world of untouched beauty, a tapestry of lush forests, mighty rivers, and a coastline that shimmers under the tropical sun. Journey with me now as we explore the natural wonders that make Cambodia a true gem of Southeast Asia. Imagine a landscape where emerald green rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with the occasional stilt house and the gentle sway of water buffalo. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, a symphony of exotic birdsong and the rustling of leaves in the warm breeze. This is the essence of Cambodia's natural beauty, a place where time seems to slow down and the modern world feels a million miles away. But Cambodia's natural wonders go far beyond its picturesque landscapes. Venture deeper into its heart and you'll discover a world teeming with unique and fascinating wildlife. Cambodia's forests are a haven for some of the world's most endangered and elusive creatures. Here, amidst the dense foliage, tigers roam free, their stripes blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. Elephants, majestic and wise, traverse the jungle paths, their trumpeting calls echoing through the trees. But it's not just the large animals that captivate the imagination. Look closer and you'll find a world of miniature wonders. Vibrantly colored insects flit among the flowers, their wings a kaleidoscope of intricate patterns. Rare orchids, their petals delicate works of art, cling to the branches, their sweet fragrance perfuming the air. Cambodia is also home to an astonishing array of bird life. From the iridescent plumage of peacocks to the graceful flight of hornbills, the skies above Cambodia are a birdwatcher's paradise. And in the depths of its rivers and lakes, freshwater dolphins glide through the murky waters, their playful nature a delight to behold. Cambodia's natural wonders extend beyond its forests and wildlife. The Cardamom Mountains, a rugged and imposing range, rise dramatically from the landscape, their slopes cloaked in dense jungle. Here, waterfalls cascade down sheer cliff faces, their waters crashing into crystal-clear pools below. Hidden within these mountains are ancient caves, their walls adorned with prehistoric paintings, a testament to Cambodia's long and fascinating history. But perhaps the most iconic natural wonder of all is Tonle Sap Lake, the lifeblood of Cambodia. This vast freshwater lake swells and contracts with the seasons, its waters teeming with fish that sustain millions of people. Floating villages dot the lake's surface, their inhabitants living in harmony with the rhythms of nature. These natural wonders are not just beautiful to look at, they are the lifeblood of Cambodia, providing sustenance, livelihoods, and a deep spiritual connection for its people. Section 4. Guardians of Cambodia's natural heritage. The Cambodian people understand the importance of protecting their natural heritage. Across the country, communities are working tirelessly to conserve their forests, protect endangered species and promote sustainable tourism. Dedicated park rangers patrol the national parks, their vigilance helping to combat poaching and illegal logging. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to develop alternative livelihoods that reduce pressure on natural resources. These efforts are making a real difference. Slowly but surely, endangered species are beginning to recover, forests are being regenerated, and the natural beauty of Cambodia is being preserved for future generations to enjoy. Section 5. A shared responsibility. The responsibility for protecting Cambodia's natural wonders does not lie solely with the Cambodian people. As citizens of a global community, we all have a role to play in ensuring that these treasures are safeguarded for generations to come. By supporting sustainable tourism initiatives, we can help to create economic opportunities for local communities while minimizing our impact on the environment. By raising awareness about the importance of conservation, we can inspire others to join in the fight to protect our planet's biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By choosing to travel responsibly, to reduce our consumption, and to support organizations working to protect our planet, we can all contribute to a brighter future for Cambodia's natural wonders. Section 6. Cambodia, a timeless tapestry of nature. Cambodia's natural beauty is a testament to the power of nature's resilience and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. From its lush forests to its mighty rivers and its vibrant wildlife, Cambodia offers a glimpse into a world untouched by the excesses of modern life. As you stand on the banks of Tonle Sap Lake, watching the sunset paint the sky in a riot of colors, or as you listen to the symphony of sounds that emanate from the jungle depths, remember this: Cambodia's natural wonders are a gift, a legacy that we must cherish and protect. Let us ensure that future generations have the opportunity to experience the awe and wonder of Cambodia's natural beauty just as we have.